Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am doing some floral arranging. I know that some of you have asked for some of that, so I'm sharing that in a video today. I'm also going to be doing a little more decorating in the living room and throughout the house, and I'm going to also show you ways of self-care and relaxation. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. I was just about to leave to go out and run some errands and do a few things, and I wanted to tidy up the house really quickly. And one of the ways I prioritize my time is finding things that save me time, like a robotic vacuum. So the vacuum that I'm going to share with you today is called the Eufy S1 Pro, and it is your ultimate cleaning companion. It is faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. The Eufy S1 Pro is not just a vacuum, it's a revolution in home cleaning technology. It's equipped with advanced mopping and vacuuming capabilities. It ensures every inch of your floor is spotless. With its innovative design, the Eufy S1 Pro lifts the mopping feature automatically, keeping your carpets dry while maintaining pristine floors. This also has what's called an always clean mop, so it is unveiling a new era in floor care. This revolutionary system boasts an innovative dual water reservoir design. The mop spins at 170 RPM, so it is continuously cleaning and rinsing the mop brush with the clean water and detergent. The Eufy S1 Pro's beautifully modernized design is sure to fit any home decor. The built-in ozone generator in the base station's clean water tank creates sterilized water using your tap water. It removes up to 99.99% of bacteria, recommended for better disinfection results. This vacuum is amazing because it maps out your home, and the Eufy S1 Pro devises optimal cleaning routes for maximum efficiency, so you can enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience with every single use, which is something I absolutely love. The Eufy S1 Pro surpasses all competitors with its powerful suction tailored for pet owners and effortless maneuverability, ensuring a thorough clean with ease. With all these features, who would not want this amazing vacuum? Discover a new level of clean with the Eufy S1 Pro. Revolutionize your home cleaning routine today. Check out the link in my description box, and you are absolutely going to love this vacuum and everything that it does for you. Two of my favorite features on this vacuum is this part when it lifts up the mop and vacuums the carpet area or the rug without getting it wet at all. And the other feature that I really love is that it does not bump into walls. It can see the walls with the AI technology, and it's not bumping into everything, and it's not sucking up any toys or socks that you have left on the floor. So this vacuum is truly amazing. So click the link in my description box and get yours today. So I want to take a quick second and talk a little bit about self-care. Whether you are a working mom, a stay-at-home mom, or if you are just a busy girl or guy for that matter, I think everybody should take some time out of their day and find something that relaxes them, and I call that self-care. So if you have 20 minutes to sit and watch a YouTube video, then you have 20 minutes to sit and relax. So I'm gonna run in and get a pedicure. I'm treating myself to a pedicure, and I feel like that is part of a self-care routine that I do probably once a month or every 2 months. I also like to have this routine before I go to bed where I add lavender essential oil to my diffuser by my bed. I think it's so, so, so important because I think that a lot of us have anxiety. A lot of us are just very busy people, and I just think it's so important. And you will thank yourself for taking moments out of your day every single day to find peace and relax. You can also do it by going to the gym or doing yoga. Like I said, reading a book. You could pray. I just think it's really important. So that is just my little tip of the day. And I'm gonna run in and get a pedicure and then do some shopping and go home and do some decorating. And I'm gonna take you along with me for little pieces of it. So after my relaxing pedicure, I decided to go into Michael's. So they just put a brand new Michael's in really close to my house. And unfortunately, it wasn't fully stocked, but I did find some really cute items. A lot of the stuff that I saw over here in this area was discounted. I ended up getting this vase, and I noticed that they had a lot of florals out, and pretty much all of it was 50 to 60% off. Everything was pretty, and they had all of their spring and summer items discounted, and you can tell that they were bringing out the fall items. And every year that I see fall being brought out early, I always wonder why, and I don't know why I wonder why, because it's always brought out so incredibly early every single year, like it's a shocker. But yeah, I also found these really pretty prints. I love flowers and I love floral prints, and they had some that looked like paintings and just some really, really cute items if you're looking for like a painting or a print to put on your wall. And I found this little bathtub, and I thought this would look so cute in a bathroom, maybe sitting somewhere where you can put like really cute hand towels in or something. And I thought these baskets would look really cute on the wall by a bathtub or your sink, and you can have like your hand towels in there or whatever. But I always love finding new items when I go into Michael's because they always switch up their decor so much every year. I was also pleasantly surprised that they carry fabric now, because the Michaels here in Vegas never carried fabric before. So I was so happy to see this, and they had a huge, huge variety. Lately I've been getting my fabrics at Walmart, and you can't really find it anywhere else besides Joann's, and Joann's is so outrageously expensive. But I found some fabrics that were just absolutely beautiful there. Now that I'm finished with my errands, I am coming home to a clean house. It's always so nice to tidy up just a little bit before you leave, and that vacuum really helps. So while I was out, I went to Trader Joe's and I picked up some flowers. I love getting flowers at Trader Joe's. They're always so beautiful, and for some reason they always last such a long time. So I ended up getting that vase like I talked about from Michael's. It was like $9. And then what I'm doing is I'm adding just a capful of bleach to the water to help preserve the flowers a little bit longer, and this definitely helps. You can also use that little floral packet that it comes with. That helps as well, but I feel like adding the bleach really, really does such a wonderful job. I have shared how I've arranged flowers before on my channel, and I've always done it piece by piece. I always take the bouquets apart and then just add them one by one, but today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. A wonderful trainer of mine at work taught me this, and I just love this concept. So when I do wraps at work, I add the filler this way. That way it's faster, and it's actually very easy and it turns out beautiful. So I'm just adding in that filler flower by lifting some of the flowers up and just kind of making room for them instead of taking the whole bouquet apart. And then when I'm finished adding all of my filler, I'm just going to take the entire bunch and kind of measure it by eye to see where I want it in the vase, and then I'm going to take my shears and then cut it down to size and then just drop it in. It's super simple and it always turns out really pretty. I normally don't choose this color when I'm picking out flowers to add in my house. This is so out of the ordinary for me. I usually pick like pinks and purples and colors like that. I don't normally pick sunflowers or bright colors, but I thought with the green that I have in my house, this would just be like a really smile. That's all I can say, because these are like happy flowers, and I wanted to add some summer colors, and these just looked like they were so cheerful, and I just really loved them. And I love that I picked out these colors because they go so well with the green that I have in my house right now, and it just turned out so pretty, and I just absolutely love them. Barefoot. Now I'm going to be adding some essential oils to my diffuser over here, and today I'm going to be using the neroli and the lemongrass, and I'm going very lightly on the neroli because it is very strong. It has the scent of orange blossoms, and these two combo scents smell so good together, and it is just a really fresh and clean scent.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
And now I'm going to head on into the living room, and I really want to do something different in here. I know that I have the green and that cream color, and I just thought it would look pretty to add something to this mantle, something different. I like to switch things up, and I was getting really bored with what I had over here. So today I'm just gonna remove everything and give this mantle a nice, good, clean dusting before I start decorating. After taking everything down, I wanted to add some type of floral up here, and I found this wreath. It was in my laundry room, and I thought it would look really pretty up here, and it kind of went with the flowers that I had just arranged in the kitchen, and I just think it looks really pretty. It's very subtle, and it just gives a tiny bit of color and adds that springy summer feel over here. And as I'm taking a step back and looking at my mantle, I really don't know what to do with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it blank and just kind of sit with it for a couple days. And then over here on my end table, I'm going to add some greenery and then add this print that I had above the fireplace over here on this wall. Okay, I know it looks weird on camera, but I promise you it looks so much better in person. I wanted to keep this wall completely blank, but I felt like it needed something. And even though, gosh, as I'm looking at my camera, it looks weird, but in person it does not look weird. It actually looks really pretty. I just need to go make sure it's level, but I love this painting and I didn't want to put it away. But I was ready for a little bit of a change on my mantle. So I think I'm going to leave this blank for a while. I'm going to let it sit for a couple days and think about how I want to decorate it, or maybe I'm just going to end up leaving it simple and nice and clean. I love the airiness that it feels with nothing on top of the mantle. And before you know it, Christmas is going to be here, and this is going to be fully decked because I love to go all out for Christmas. And I just love the simplicity of everything right now. So I think I'm just going to leave everything the way it is, and then I'm going to head on upstairs to my bedroom, and I'm going to kind of show you a little bit up there. Okay, now we are in my room, and my room is very small, and I've noticed the less that I have in here, the better it feels. Like, it just has more of a relaxed feel. I feel like when you declutter your rooms, you declutter your mind, and trust me, I don't know why, but it works, and it just gives me more of a relaxed feel entering a bedroom that doesn't have just stuff everywhere. Because years ago I used to have a lot of things in here. I had a plant in the corner and just knickknacks all over my dresser and just a lot of stuff, even down to my bedding. Sometimes when I add really colorful bedding, it just feels like it's too much in here. I don't know why it is that way, but it is for me. So I always really like to stick with the white bedding. Sometimes I'll change out my duvet cover and add like a floral duvet, but I always end up going back to the white bedding. And I also wanted to share with you some of my nighttime routines, or my nighttime routine that I like to do pretty much every single night. And I love taking these sleep tight gummies. I take 2 before I go to bed, and they truly do help me sleep. I also take some valerian drops. These also help tremendously. And then over here on my nightstand, I like to add a couple drops of essential oil. I'll use lavender, or I'll use this one, and it is called Sleep. It has lavender and a couple of other essential oils in there. But I like to do this as part of my nighttime routine as I'm winding down for the day, and it really does help me relax. And then I also like to add this linen spray by Caldrea. Now my bedroom is all set and ready for the evening for when I go to bed. But that is some of the ways that I like to give myself a little bit of self-care, and trust me, you're going to want to try some of these, or at least one of them. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Bye.